Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I've reached 5K subscribers yesterday. It's not a big number, but it's very rewarding because I start building boats and sharing videos around 2017. It's been, 8 years. I still have some ideas in building different boats. Hopefully I will be able to share those with you in my near future. If you're in the Portland, Oregon area, and I'm more than happy to show you my boats and have you to try it. There's a viewer send me a comment, but I have no way to contact that person. And if that person watched this video, please send an email to pdxboatmaker@gmail.com. We can have a meetup and you are welcome to try my boats. And same with other people who are interested to do the same. Try my boats before they decide to build one or not. Just contact me. Thanks again for your support, and I will create more videos whenever I have time. Bye bye.